because you know how long you've been consistent in showing up in a truthful, honest, for real, when no one else is looking, there are no witnesses but you, yourself, and the Most High. You know that you've been living a real life, that you are a responder to the calls of your own needs more than you begged for forgiveness, because you were literally one foot in front of the other, step by step, answering to the call. You were a person of action instead of a person of talk. Whereas most likely you've endured some humiliation rituals over and over and over. You may be waking up to the fact that your entire life may have been a series of humiliation rituals just to put the vigor in someone else's step, because they just needed it because of their poor little childhood and they didn't know any better. But for what I'm really picking up on in this card is the balance scales in the left hand, the receiving side, esoterically speaking. It looks like they're not even holding the scales. It looks like a magnet, like the scales are just coming into their hands without them even having to do anything but Jedi that to their hand, basically. Because this person, you, have been training your mind. You have not been using drugs, alcohol, or any of the things, sex. You haven't been doing any of the things that they said about you, for real. And you know that, and God knows that. And so it's only a matter of time. You're basically just sitting back on your throne, and there's no place like home, internal state, knowing that it's all going to gracefully drift into place. Have a good night.